Hello everybody, this is Bui from Mama Bui's Kitchen. I hope you are having a great day. Today on Mama Bui's menu, we are making tender and juicy pan-seared buttery garlic steak bites. These steak bites, guys, they are fully flavored with crispy edges. So let's get started. You know Mama Bui doesn't like to waste time. For this beautiful delicious recipe, guys, you are going to need steak. You can use any steak of your choice. I'm using New York strip steaks. I have cut them in 1/2-inch bite-sized pieces. We're gonna also need red pepper flakes, green onions, salt, black pepper, soy sauce. I'm using reduced sodium, Worcestershire sauce, and 6 cloves of garlic. First things first, we're gonna season the meat with salt and black pepper. Give it a good mix. Next, we're gonna add Worcestershire sauce along with soy sauce, then mix well. Now let's move on to sear our steaks. Heat up the oil in a Dutch oven over medium-high heat until shimmering near smoking. Add the steak pieces, leaving spaces in between them. The trick to perfect steak: get your pan or skillet nice and hot before searing, and also sear in batches to prevent them from boiling instead of searing. Next, we're gonna add red pepper flakes. While the steak is cooking, don't touch it or move it at all. Now we're gonna add garlic. Flip your steak one time. For medium steak bites, sear for 2 minutes each side. For well done, sear 3 to 4 minutes each side. It's been 2 minutes. Flip the steaks. It smells so good in here, guys. Next, we are going to add butter, and as soon as the butter melts, toss around the steaks and remove them from the Dutch oven. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe and to ring that bell so you get notified every time I upload a video. Share this video with your friends and your family. That way it helps our channel to grow. Until next time, guys. Bye. Honey for my heart.